How to contact disabled accounts on Instagram. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can contact disabled accounts on Instagram. First, you want to find the account that you want to message. So right here, as you can see, this account is disabled. And the first thing you want to do is try to restrict their account first. And if you just unrestrict it or restrict the account, here you will see a option to message them and just accept their request. Once you do that, you can just send them messages like this. So just go to their profile once again. If their account is disabled, it will show something like Instagram user right here. And if you go to their profile, it will show you something like this. So all you have to do is restrict and then unrestrict once. Once you unrestrict this account, just go to your messages and tap on accept the request, and you should be able to send messages like this. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.